welcome all. It's time for another Hot Wheels Black Box. Yeah, I've spent quite the cash on these now, but I must say that potential to get a Super keeps fueling me on to buy more and more. So will today be the day I pull a Super out of one of these? Who knows? Who knows? The best way to find out is to open it up and see. So this one also has the seals still in place. So I haven't been unlucky enough to get one that's been opened and tampered, as I can tell. So that's pretty good. So I think this must be the F case, I think. So let's hope we get some good finds. Right, I'm excited and I'm also nervous. Let's open it up. They keep revealing the possible Super at the start. Okay, right. They haven't revealed something yet. Oh, that's interesting. I haven't actually got one of them. Okay, right. Let's try and. There we go. I've got it like that. Let's do the usual. We'll pan up. So this is what I can see upon opening the box. Get a few little sneak peeks. Pretty cool. And I've just dropped part of my camera clamp. Right, let's get stuck in. First of all, wow, okay, nice. We have the 72 Stingray Corvette convertible. Oh, I haven't even seen this, so this is very cool. Oh, it's got little lensed pop-up headlights as well. Sweet, that's nice. Next up, we have the, okay, oh, I ruined it early on. This is a regular version of the Super Treasure Hunt, the Renault Sport RS01. Ah, that's a shame. Why did they have to put it so early on? But pretty cool. I don't actually have one of these, so that is a very, very nice one to get. Part of the Retro Racers, we have a 911 Carrera RS. That's very nice. Got the lensed rear lights there, and the little lens lights on the bottom there as well. That's really nice. 75 Porsche, guaranteed for life, the new for 2023. That's awesome. I say, this has actually got a lot of cars I haven't even seen in the stores yet. Oh dear. Got another one of the Batmobile things. Oh, just, yeah, I'll put that aside. Oh wow. Nice. We've got some awesome ones. We have the Honda Civic Custom, part of the J Imports, with those little awesome 3-spoke wheels, tri-spokes. Oh man, look at the rear light details. Oh, and it's got front detail. Wow, that's really nice. That's a cool one. Again, another nice one. We have the Ford Escort RS2000. Very nice retro stripes on this one. In fact, very similar to the stripes that my mate had on his old red Ford P100. That were all sun faded down one side. Rear light details, license plate. That's nice. Liking that. Oh, we have a 2017 Camaro ZL1. The yellow. That's very, very cool. And lastly for that row, the Bentley Continental GT3. This one is silver with the green stripes. So another coloration of that. Very, very cool. So far, first row. Wow. Like, didn't have them. They are very cool. Well, I didn't have any of these cars in that first row. So that is very cool. Again, shame that came out so early. Ugh. I'll just get my hopes too high. I really want to pull a Super because I haven't pulled a Super in a very long time. Right, let's crack on. We have 70s van, part of the Hot Wheels Art Cars. This has got all the sort of writing on there. Pretty cool. I think this is a recolour of one we've seen already. Next up we have the Pagani Huayra Roadster. Nice, metallic blue, gold wheels. Got all the light details on there as well. Very nice. Next up, oh, awesome. We have the LB Super Silhouette Nissan Silvia with the lens. Oh wow, that's very cool. Now this case, this is where it's starting to shine through, because all of these I haven't seen in the stores yet. So we're either missing this case because we haven't had a stock of cars for a long time and it's always the same case, if there is, or we're actually now ahead of what is being released in stores. So this is brilliant. I'm glad I should have bought 2 of these. This is the problem. I don't know what I'm going to miss and what I'm going to see. Here we have the track manga. Very cool. Got the track coloured wheels on this one. This one has the special feature where you can adjust the front splitter, which of course it says on the card as well. Very, very cool. That's pretty nice actually. Cool design on that. Next up we have a fancy car, the Roadster Bite. Still pretty cool looking one actually. Got the best for track. So this will probably have the little track symbol on the base. Yes it does. It's pretty cool. Next up, oh, another version of this. The Dimaccini Veloce. Very nice. That's a pretty nice racer inspired livery on that, or colour scheme. I do like this casting. It's a very cool one. Next up, oh, Subaru WRX STI, white and pink. Very cool. Now we've got the sort of coppery gold wheels on that. Part of the J Imports. Nice. That's very cool. And finally, oh, I didn't have one of these. The Nissan Patrol Custom. I think this is a recolor, to be fair. Part of the J Imports. Very, very nice. Do like the stripes on this. It's a very nice colour scheme. And it has the 2 turbos coming out of the bonnet there. That's really cool. That's really cool. Oh, wow, that was a really good box. Right, let's get the main box out of the way. So whether this was a really good box because I haven't seen these cars yet, that's a good point though. Would have the other boxes been quite as good if I hadn't already seen the cars? I guess they would have been, naturally. Yeah, no, I can't complain. This is awesome. This is where, yeah, this is when these boxes start to seem very good, because if I miss anything, because over here in the UK we have a tendency to just not get any stocks for ages, or completely miss cases, yeah, it means you have a chance to actually get some of the cars shipped over that we would have otherwise missed. The only problem is knowing when you're going to miss them. But say, to be fair, actually the cost of shipping these over, it still comes at about £2.30 per car, so you're not paying as much. You still, actually, these are still slightly cheaper than most supermarket cars will be, because they're usually like £2.40 to £2.50 over here now. So paying the extra for shipping, they still end up being slightly cheaper. It's madness. It's crazy. But yeah, as you can see, we have a massive pile compared of licensed cars compared to non-licensed cars. So it's pretty cool. As I say, oh man, there's some awesome finds in this. Some absolutely awesome stuff. Like I say, okay, it's just the size. I'm double checking to see there's no like cracked cards or anything, because I have been getting that recently. So, a bit unfortunate we didn't get the Super today, but it's alright I suppose. Again, lots and lots of really awesome castings in this one, so really can't complain there. Well, there we have it guys, what a haul that was from that box. Absolutely excellent stuff. Again, it's very annoying. It's quite annoying we didn't pull a Super or even a regular treasure hunt today. That would have been absolutely great, obviously, but you know, we can't win it all. Very glad I got this box, because I get the feeling I'm not going to see any of this stuff in the stores. But yeah, let me know what you think of the pulls from this box. Let me know down in the comments down below. Hope you've enjoyed watching and unboxing it with me. Stay tuned. I'm sure I'm going to buy another one when they release more. So far, say we're up to box F. They haven't released another option yet. I'm sure I'm going to pre-order another one, because I'm just hooked on this now. It is so fun getting these mystery boxes full of cars. Hopefully one day we'll pull a Super. And you know what? I blooming hope it's that Supra, because that thing looks awesome. But yeah, thanks for watching, good luck in all your peg hunts as always, and I hope to see you again in the next video.